Last week, Statistics Niue were working with a consultant from SBC to work on Niue's national accounts, identifying the state of our economy in all sectors. Data and information was collected from various departments and sources to be compiled into a report, which is expected to be submitted by the end of this week and released for public viewing once approved by the Minister. But some statistics figures received this week demonstrate a steady flow of arrivals and departures for the quarter ending in September. According to Statistics Niue, data collected over the 3-month period show arrivals with a total of 1,956 people and departures slightly over those with 2016 and a net migration of -60. Net migration is basically the number of arrivals minus departures, a crucial factor that affects the population of Niue. 86% of arrivals were classified as visitors with 280 Niueans and 1,408 non-Niueans and 268 returning residents. On average, tourists spent just over $1,000 each, and departure figures stated 9 people leaving permanently. 344 were departing residents with the intention of returning, and 1,672 were tourists returning home.